The graph of a one-to-one function f is given. Graph the inverse function with a dashed curve on the same set of axes. And we can see the graph of f in red here. It begins at the x-intercept 4, 0, and it goes down to the y-intercept of 0, -2. And as x continues off to negative infinity, y also continues off to negative infinity. For the graph of the inverse, it is going to be symmetric with the graph of the original function with respect to the line y equals x. The line y equals x would be this line, and so we know that this part would be reflected up here, and this part would be reflected like this. And so this point would be up here at 4. This point would be at -2. And the graph would begin to come down like this. And, of course, it starts at 4, passes through -2, and as x goes to negative infinity, y is also going to negative infinity. So the blue shows the graph of the inverse function.